Hello! Again, Dr. Grace Carol B. Beltran, your dermatologist, dermatologic and aesthetic surgeon, genetologist, and obesity resource person. Ang topic natin ngayon ay ano ba ang benefits ng pagsusuot ng compression stockings, lalo na doon sa mga may lahi ng varicose veins. Okay. Well, these are the things that you get from wearing compression stockings. Kasi kapag hindi ka nagwe-wear ng compression stockings at ikaw ay may tendency na mag-develop ng varicose veins, nagkakaroon ka kuminsan ng swelling of the legs, okay? Poor circulation, and also blood clots, you develop blood clots. But by wearing compression stockings, you prevent swelling because you prevent formation of blood clots, Ang isang cause ng swelling of the legs is yung namumuong dugo na bumabara doon sa ugat na pinagdadaluyan ng ating dugo papuntang puso, pabalik ng puso at pabalik sa ating binti. So, if you improve on the circulation, you prevent blood clots, then you prevent leg swelling. Yan. Tapos, you also prevent leg ulcer. Bakit ka ba nagpe-prevent ng leg ulcer? Kasi kung yung dugo mo ay nagpupul o ibig sabihin, nandyan lang sa baba ng binti mo kasi hindi makapump yung iyong muscle, yung gastrocnemius muscle, hindi makapump ng maigi papuntang para ibalik ang dugo mo sa puso mo at para yung makadaan ito sa from the heart to the lungs and then back to the heart and then to the main circulation. Ang purpose kasi ng pumping of the blood through the heart para magkaroon uli ng oxygen yung blood na umuikot sa katawan mo. Kapag hindi ito nabalik sa puso, walang oxygen, so wala kang oxygen all throughout the body kung yung blood mo ay nandiyan lang sa ilalim ng binti. So, yun. So, pag wala kang oxygen, of course, you develop ulceration. Kasi walang oxygen dito sa baba ng binti dahil yung dugo mo, nandyan lang siya, hindi siya gumagalaw eh. So, pag yung dugo mo walang oxygen, then you develop hypoxia. Okay? Ibig sabihin, walang oxygen dun sa lugar ng tissues na yon, kaya namamatay yung mga kalamnan natin doon at nagkakaroon ka ng mga ulcerations o mga sugat. Okay. And then, it also helps in the improved lymphatic circulation that helps lymphatic fluid to move upwards and then do its function. Ano ba ang function ng lymphatic system? Ang lymphatic system ay nakakatulong sa pag-transport o pagdala ng white blood cell natin. Ito yung mga cell na nagfa-fight ng infection, okay? To the lymph nodes, yung kung saan yung mga ano natin, hulani. Yung ating compression stockings tumutulong na ipadala doon yung white blood cell natin papuntang mga kulani at papuntang from the kulani to the bones, okay? So they give us the protection that we need against infection. And then it also collects harmful substances that is found in your cells and your tissues. Ayun yung function ng lymphatic system. Kaya kung nagko-compression stocking tayo, na-enhance yung function ng lymphatic system natin by collecting harmful substances from your cells to the tissues na eliminate siya. And then, it also provides or carries nutrients and proteins to your cells and the tissues. So, na-enhance lahat yung function na yan kapag ka nagko-compression stockings tayo. Ngayon, kanina nabanggit ko na yung it prevents blood pooling, yung nagtatagal yung dugo sa ilalim ng binti, nagpe-prevent ng blood clot formation dun sa mga daluyan ng ating dugo. And also, it prevents a production of pain. Kasi pag nagde-decrease yung pamamaga ng binti mo at nagkakaroon ng improvement in the circulation at saka nagkakaroon ng preventing of the pooling of blood on the lower extremity and prevention of blood clot formation, then you diminish the risk of developing pain. Kasi yun yung mga cause ng pain, Tsaka pain and fatigue and parang laging pagod, parang mabigat yung binti mo at masakit kuminsan yung mga kalamnan mo doon. Ngayon, it also prevents or decreases orthostatic hypotension. Yung orthostatic hypotension, bumababa yung blood pressure natin, tapos nahihilo tayo, hinihimatay tayo yon. It prevents that also if you wear compression stockings. Bakit? Kasi nga, napupush niya yung blood papunta sa puso, kaya nag-i-increase yung blood flow, nag-i-increase din yung blood pressure. Ayan. Tapos, athletes, yung mga dati kasi pang varicose vein lang to, pero ngayon ginagamit na to ng mga atleta, no? Because it boosts their performance, it improves their performance also, it prevents pain, and then it also hastens the recovery of the muscles. It hastens the recovery of the muscles kapag ka meron kang compression stacking, so they can easily recover and they can move faster. So again, I repeat, it diminishes the formation of pain, prevents leg cramps, prevents muscle soreness, less dizziness and nausea. Kasi yun yung nararamdaman mo pag may decreased orthostatic hypotension, no? Yun, nahihilo ka at saka nasusuka ka. So nawawala na rin yun, nape-prevent yun. And then, it supports your exercise. So it prolongs your capacity to exercise much better. And then you get better sleep, prevents lymph edema, and then decreases muscle fatigue and prevents post-thrombotic syndrome. Okay, so yan po ang ating mga benefits kapag tayo po ay nagsusuot ng compression stockings, lalo na kung may lahi tayo ng varicose veins. For more questions, please call my numbers and please like and share my account.